Hollister right now, and I'm trying their new collection. Kakabukas lang nila sa MOA, so I'm trying to do this as quick as possible kasi there's a long line outside. So I'm gonna do my best to try on everything really quickly. Pero my goal is to wala lang. Gusto ko lang matry and hopefully makabili ako ng something that I like and something for the summer. So, ayan, ito fit check ko ngayon. Try out these pieces with me and then we'll determine if bibilhin ko ba talaga siya. So, yeah, this white top is so cute and these shorts as well. And then these shorts, I think they're a bit too short for me. So, medyo maikli siya, but it looks really cute paired with the white top. So, tingnan ko pa.
Thank you.
Magpatin nyo kay Zip.
Thank you, Z.
Hoy!
Hi, Z.
Ano pag ididikit mo siya saan? Oh! Maybe ako.
Also, nag-scout na din ako for future furniture. Kind of window shopping na ako sa mga gusto kong maging furniture ko sa new condo ko. Pero pagdating namin here, paglipatan na, alam ko na kung ano bibilhin ko. So, I'm kind of window shopping right now.
Pangit nung... Aray ko. Aray ko. Ano, anything you touch, I will buy challenge. Gagawin natin yung can't say no challenge. Pero hindi ka naman kasi makakapili, so okay lang. Anything you touch, I will buy. Check. Ito ba atin?
Respectfully, don't
Parang hindi siya bagay dun sa video. Masyadong inspiring yung video. Inspiring tingnan yung video eh. Gawin mo ng pang-broken. At least magkakaroon ka ng Iniwan ko si Ate Nika at si Kuya Kinan sa IKEA kasi ang tagal na lang.
like my TikTok.
Nag-iisip siya ngayon ng TikTok caption.
Ay, buong araw ko iniisip.
Pati music para dun sa kanyang inspiring post. Thank you po. Thank you po. Bacon chicken quesadilla, buffalo chicken salad, mozzarella cheese, chipotle mozzarella in Emerald. Then blue cheeseburger for me. Tapos wala pa yung chicken sandwich niya. So try namin ngayon yung Pizookie lava cake, Pizookie with the lava cake on top. So I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. This is the meal. Super sarap nitong burger na to. The blue cheese one. With a chicken sandwich. Oh. Thank you po. Woo!
That's the perfect shot.
Ano nga yun? Chili's Hallelujah.
Lagay. Lahat yun.
Lava cake Hallelujah.
It's
Pizookie Hallelujah.
sarap pa.
Siguro pang group of 7. Yeah.
Makahilo na. Papayanin ka namin sa mga yan. Hindi yan hindi.
In 10 years pa ako.
Tabo naman.
Okay, so my agenda today is I am preparing to move out, but I'm not moving out yet. Ngayon, ang gagawin ko lang is basically clean up everything para by the time I go back to Manila and move out, ready na siya. And also, since I'll be going home tonight sa Mindoro, I also need to bring all of my dirty laundry. The laundry I have right now, it's been with me for the past 2 weeks kasi naisip ko,
if I still have to pa-laundry it here, baka mawala pa. And may times kasi na ang daming nawawalang clothes. So I just thought na, sige, ipapile up ko na muna siya para pag uwi ko, dun ko na lang ipapalabas sa amin. But now, sobrang dami. And if you can see, wait. This is how dirty it is. Like, oh my gosh! All of those clothes, ang dami. I also have more clothes here. And then, there's more there sa taas. So, like, nakakahiya. But at the same time, it's okay. Kasi nakaplano naman talaga siya. But yeah, the agenda today is fix my clothes, pack them up, and then go back home sa province. I'm so excited. I have to do everything before dumating si mama. Kasi mapapagalitan na ako. And I have around 2 hours, so I really need to lock in. So I actually don't know where to start here. I bought honey butter kasi I need a snack while doing this. Yeah. I actually don't know where to start kasi ang dami na niya. So I'll sort everything out by material first and then by color. Then ipla-plastic ko na sila by group. Ibubunton ko na lang siya muna sa sahig. So I won't fold it first para ma-fold ko na lang siya later after ko siya i-categorize. Categorize. Jackets. Oh my gosh. Pants, shirts, skirts, and also jackets. And I separated the tops. May mga specific tops kasi ako na bawal sa washing machine. So, isa-separate ko din yun from the tops na pwede. I'm moving very fast right now. So, that's something to be proud of. Okay. So, the box is done. I'm not sure if hagip ba ako dito? But anyway, the box is done. Now I'm moving on to the laundry basket na mismo. So, I'm almost done with the sorting part. Then I'll be moving on to packing everything na. Okay, so I'm done with sorting na, and now I just have to fold and pack everything. So I'll start with this mountain of clothes. I think it's separated well na naman. Kung ilan lang magkasya sa isang plastic, yun lang yung ilalagay ko sa isang plastic. What? Ipapaship pa siya all the way to Mindoro. Kasi hindi siya kasya sa sasakyan. Also, I've been really into listening to Late Night with Dylan. Late Night Dylan recently. Yung mga ano niya, Am I the A-hole podcast. Parang, I don't know, I just love listening to different perspectives sa different situations. Parang, alam ko madaming fake sa subreddit na yon. But, I don't know, it's just very entertaining and gusto ko yung may naririnig akong nagsasalita at the same time habang may ginagawa ako. So, I'm currently listening to him right now. Actually watching kasi YouTube siya. Pero, ayun, it's been my go-to podcast for the past 2 months now. This one, punong-puno siya. It has like 8 plastics full of clothes. And I'm whispering kasi tulog si mama. So, and then this one is full of pants and jackets lang. So, hopefully, like, hindi mawala sa tracking. Time check, I finished in an hour. So, hindi ko na-expect matatapos ko agad siya. We're going to have dinner lang sa MOA. And then, I'll be going home na. So, yay! Okay, so I'm currently getting a new cart kasi pangit yung isa na nakuha namin and hindi siya nakaka-aesthetic. Try ko lagyan ng camera yung cart na kinuha namin but like may bump siya so kukuha ako bago. We're buying stuff for the cafe kasi pauwi na kami and kailangan nila ng stock para dun sa cafe. And ako, bibili ako ng stuff for my diet because maraming food sa bahay na hindi ko makakain. These are so good, guys. Like, I like the apple ones more than the strawberry ones. So I'm gonna take one. Time check. It's currently 6:15 and I think our goal is to go home before 8 or 9. Still, even if we go home at 9, para makauwi na kami around, I'm not sure, makakauwi kami mga 3 a.m. na. Yeah. Okay, so I'm back in Mindoro, new background. I just finished working out kanina. We arrived at around 7 a.m. and then natulog ako. Then I woke up at 12, then I immediately worked out until 2. I wish to lock in habang bakasyon pa. Like, I'm trying to lock in, I'm trying to stay healthy, stay within my fitness goals. So yun ang goal, yun ang summer goal ko this year. But every year ko naman siya summer goal. Now, it's currently 4:03 and I have a dinner / gala. No, I have a dinner out with my friends tonight at 5 p.m. So I have 1 hour to get ready pero feel ko malilate din sila. So, totally fine. Sa family restaurant lang din naman namin. So, parang hindi din ako lalayo. I'm so excited kasi it's been siguro around 3 months, 4 months since I last saw them. Unfortunately, hindi kami kompleto kasi may mga friends kami na nasa Manila pa. So, hindi nagtutugma yung schedule. And also, start na ng classes nung friends namin na nag-study pa dito. So, hindi talaga nagtutugma. Since yung mga nasa Manila, start pa lang ng bakasyon nila. Then yung mga nasa Mindoro, start na ng pasokan nila. So like, so hard to schedule our gala. So I think this is the only gala we'll have the entire summer kasi magsa-start na din soon yung pasok ng iba kong friends from CEU and NU. Kaming mga taga-UST, super tagal pa. August pa. Okay, ito na talaga. Mag-aayos na talaga ako. Bye! Okay guys, so my friends are here already and pababa na ako. I have to go. Ako pinakamalapit pero ako na naman pinaka-late. No, it's actually tama oras ko. Look, it's 5:07, so sakto lang. Masyado sila maaga. I'm someone who's always on the dot. Okay, let's go.
Timmy. So, pag medyo nag-boost na siya, pag medyo sumikat-sikat ka na, pag may hate comments, kami lang yun
Huwag ka mag-alala.
Tinetraining lang namin na tumibay yung loob mo.
Huwag ka ma-down pag may
Oh, kasi kami lang yun.
Nung kunento po niya sa amin nung junior high school po kami, tuwing nag-uniform po siya.
So for today's video, we will be reacting to the first reaction video of Kimio ni Argayeta. Ayun o. Ang lakas na ba?
And today, I will be doing a reaction video.
Ayun, sino yan? Oh, sino yan? Inatake siya. Inatake siya sinong ate niya ata.
Ate, tama na.